by the head of the Therapeutic Goods Administration, Professor John Skerritt. And thanks for joining us today, John, and can I thank you for all the great work that TGA has been doing throughout the course of this pandemic, making sure that the vaccines that Australians have access to are safe. This is very important. Australia has one of the best records in the world when it comes to the administration of vaccine. We don't cut corners when it comes to vaccines. We ensure that the world-class regulators that we have, and Professor Skerritt is certainly one of those, leading an outstanding organisation that has a very straightforward task, and that is to ensure that what they give the stamp to, what they put their support for in the approvals they give means that you can get those jabs, whether they're for your children on immunisation or indeed for the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we have been given the green light to take another very important step forward to implement our national plan on the path forward out of COVID-19. The Therapeutic Goods Administration has given provisional approval for the use of Moderna for Australians aged 18 years and over. This means we have an additional 25 million doses of Moderna to add to the 125 million Pfizer doses and 53 million AstraZeneca doses we have already started rolling out. We will have 10 million of the Moderna doses arriving before the end of this year. The first 1 million doses is on track to arrive next month and will go to pharmacies. Then we will have 3 million in October, 3 million in November and 3 million in December. This is another important tool that we have in our battle against COVID. We'll have it in our hands and we'll have the jabs in our arms starting next month. This is our plan to ensure that we get Australia to where we need to get to this year. We have more Pfizer, we have more AstraZeneca, and now we have Moderna. We have more doctors, we have more nurses, we have more pharmacists. We have more jabs in arms, and now 10 million Moderna to add this year. With more than 1.3 million vaccines doses delivered in just 1 week. That is almost the population of the city of Adelaide, with 676 pharmacy sites, with 5,765 GPs enlisted and out there providing jabs and providing important advice. With the state hubs that are in place and rolling out, the national plan to get the jabs in arms, to implement the national plan, is working. We have a plan to get to 70% of Australians vaccinated before the end of the year. We can do this because we are doing this. Every vaccination saves lives. Every vaccination gets us a step closer to where we want to be. And I want to thank, as I did in question time today, all Australians who've rolled up their sleeves, and thank Australians who are coming forward to roll up their sleeves, to arm themselves against the COVID-19 pandemic. We still have a journey to travel together, but that's how we will do it. We will do it together. Australia will get this job done.